She meant the world to me, so I gave her everything. She did the same for me.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Have a fucking awesome day. And come meet us at the bar.